Alopecia areata, a disease which is not common but the disease which is also not uncommon. Total loss of hair in patchy form from the scalp resulting from an autoimmune disorder is alopecia areata. Today we will discuss some of the medicines which may help you stop the disease and regrow the lost hair. Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health. And I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind. Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Dr. Umang Khanna Homeopathic Clinic English channel. Friends, today we would be talking about alopecia areata, an ailment which occurs in so much people that this is a sizable value. Homeopathy has medicines to control, to manage and get alopecia areata cured. Today I will be telling you some of the probable natural homeopathic medicines which may help you. First of all, let us know what is alopecia areata. Alopecia areata is a hair fall where the hair fall occurs in patches which results in complete baldness of that patch. It's a frustrating thing because the patient fears that soon his whole scalp would be plain. The symptoms of alopecia areata is complete loss of hair in patchy from the scalp. The cause of alopecia areata is not yet known, but is believed that the autoimmune system believes the hair follicles to be an outside entity of the body and attacks them and destroys them, which results in the complete loss in patches from the scalp. But friends, where there is problem, there is solution. Homeopathy does have probable homeopathic medicine which will get you rid of alopecia areata. The medicines told in this video are effective, but I humbly request you to please consult a qualified physician before taking any of these medicines. Now let's move to the video. Let's tell you some of the homeopathic medicines which may help you to get rid of alopecia areata. Top medicine to control alopecia areata or the hair fall in patches and to regrow the hairs is acid floricum. If the patient is having alopecia areata, acid fluor 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day could be given. This medicine helps in the regrowth of hair, thereby controlling the disease. A very good medicine to stop the hair fall with itching in the scalp and weakness with alopecia areata is phosphorus. Phosphorus 1 em, 1 dose weekly could be given to the patient who is having alopecia areata or the hair fall in patches resulting in baldness, where the skin is itchy, the patient is feeling too much weak, the patient desires for cold things, and the aggravation is in the afternoon or evening. This remedy helps the patient, it removes the weakness plus it controls alopecia areata. Alopecia areata, when it occurs in a patient, mostly the patient first gets rid of hairs from the vertex or top of the head. If this is the position, this is the symptom, then drug of the choice for this type of alopecia areata or the hair fall is Brita carbonicum. Brita carbonicum 30 could be taken 2 drops 2 times per day. This medicine helps in the regrowth of hair and it stops the disease from progressing. A symptom occurs when alopecia areata takes place or happens at the back of the scalp. When there are patches at the back of the scalp, the drug preferred for this symptom is Silicea. Silicea 30 potency 2 drops 3 times could be given when the patient is having bald patches at the back of the head. The patient feels cold more. This medicine is suitable for that patient. 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day of Silicea could be given. Sometimes a symptom occurs in the patient having alopecia areata that there is burning sensation in the scalp and alopecia areata is there. If that is the case, then the preferred medicine for such type of alopecia areata is arsenic album. The aggravation of arsenic album takes place at midnight, that is about 12 p.m. This is a very good medicine for anxiety, restlessness and also alopecia areata. It stops the disease and helps the body to grow hairs back which have been lost. A peculiar symptom, the patient has a hair fall, there has a patches, and when new hair occurs on those patches in alopecia areata, the hairs are white. New hairs which grow on the bald patches in alopecia areata are white. For this symptom, there are homeopathic medicines, and one of the best homeopathic medicine is Vinca minor. Patient could be given Vinca minor 6 Ch potency if the patient is having baldness and white hairs are coming in place of black hairs. This medicine will help. A symptom occurs when the patient faces dull headache. There is a light headache all the time in the head and there is alopecia areata. If that is the case, the drug of the choice for this is acid phosphoricum. Acid phosphoricum could be given. This medicine helps reduce the heaviness of head and in terms help the patient. A symptom occurs when there is total loss of hairs. Alopecia areata is there and slowly it progresses and results in the total loss of hairs from the scalp. If this is the case, then drug of the choice for this is selenium. Selenium could be given to the patient who is having complete baldness and alopecia areata. This medicine will help. Alopecia areata normally occurs in small children. So if alopecia areata is there in small children, then the drug of choice to control the disease is Brita muraticum. Brita muraticum 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day could be given in case of a child having alopecia areata. Friends, these are some of the medicines to get rid of alopecia areata. Medicines indeed in this video are helpful, but I request you to please consult a qualified physician before taking any of the medicines. If you have any query, please do write to us. We will try to address it. We will wait for your comments on this video. How do you like the video? The comments are welcome. Friends, it takes lot of effort and pain to make a video. I would request you to please share the video in the society so that this video may be help to someone who needs this information. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Namaste.